Right, William, was an update here. Came down this morning to a lot of problems with the shed. Roof was blowing, well, those bits of wood and bricks up there to try and keep the felt down, etc. And the tarpaulin to blow down. I put them up there, been up there and done it again. Went in the shed, did a tidying up and a bit of DIY. Did a weeding around here just to get some more of the old roots out of those, whatever was in here. And it's blown all this massive noise, it all blew in and blew down again. I've got there again, done all this, put the bricks on, I've tried to tack this side piece. This ledge is actually causing a problem here with regard to the tarpaulin, so I've now done that again. And also more wood up there. Whole wood that's probably been burned up down the bottom there, as we've been told about. And so I'm working up here. We've got a bit of that, but the problem is just now, I'll say, as I was just down on the allotment, this blew down by Dave's allotment. This is the piece you've repaired on the side here, the back, and I've been up there. It's just completely been taken by the wind and blown over the top of the shed, over there, right by Dave's fence. It's gone about 15-20 feet. So, you know, so the sun's come out on the plus side. Been down since about 8:30. It's now 10:30. When are you coming back, mate? We need to sort this out. Highly dangerous, this shed. There's high wind all of a sudden this morning and today. Yeah, that bit of wood there needs sorting out. I don't know whether it's worth putting on or not. I don't think so at the moment, due to the fact that it's probably going to blow off again. It's very close to where the people come past with their cars and walk past with dogs.